guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. I'm so happy that you're watching this video. It's gonna be very informative, and if you're watching my videos or you like watching my videos, then I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you for supporting me and helping me grow my channel. So today I'll be talking to you guys about getting part-time jobs in France, and I want to share my experiences and also some information about how much you get paid, what are the ways to find jobs, how I found my part-time job and how you can find yours. So first, getting a part-time job in France is not very difficult for English-speaking people, but obviously you have to come out of your comfort zone and try and be motivated towards finding it. I know a lot of people say that it's very difficult to find a part-time job in France, but it's not very difficult, trust me. I've got mine. I have friends who got a part-time job, so it's not super difficult. So if you want to know how to get a part-time job in France, please keep watching this video till the end, and I am so thankful for you guys. Okay, so the average part-time job salary that you get in France is around 10 euros per hour. So you get paid in hourly basis. You can get paid more or you can get paid less depending on various factors. So there are some factors that can affect in your part-time job as a student in France. First, the classes that we have are never the same. For example, I have classes on Monday at different timings, Tuesday different timings. Next week, the timings can change. Like for example, if on Monday I had class from 1 to 2, maybe next Monday I will have class from 3 to 4, so it's never the same. This can be a little tricky because if you're trying to get a part-time job, sometimes you need fixed hours. You can do part-time job in weekends because weekends you're usually free. Saturday and Sunday you're free, you never have classes, so you could find a job where you're only employed on the weekends. Second factor that affects in your part-time job is that you should have a self-realization of the things that you're good at. Sometimes you don't know what exactly you're good at, and maybe you're trying to find a job that you probably are not even good at or you're not even interested in. So it's very important to know your skills, exactly like how you would know what kind of a job you want to do. Same for a part-time job. Maybe you're a good listener, maybe you love animals, you could go for dog walking. Maybe you're a good organizer, or you can clean really well. So you know, there are all sorts of things that you need to know. Maybe you can cook. So it's your choice. Everything depends on how dedicated and motivated you are. Getting out of your comfort zone and stepping out in the real world can be difficult, but we have to do it. We are in a different country. We need to experience all the things that is there to experience. This can help us in getting part-time jobs as well. So now I'll be sharing with you my personal experience of So now I'll be sharing with you guys how I got my part-time job with my ongoing classes and homework and everything else that I had in my life going on with cooking and cleaning and organizing and just everything. So till now I got 2 part-time jobs. So the first part-time job that I got in France was because I knew my skills and what I'm good at. For example, I like cooking, so I went on this Facebook group and I wrote a post about how I'm a student and I would like to have a part-time job and I'm really good at cooking and cleaning and I can help you organize, and that's it. At the beginning I did not really hear from anyone, but in few days I got a message from this lady who is an English speaking lady. So she wanted some help with shifting her things and she asked me if I could help her, and I was more than happy to do that. She was a very nice lady, so she gave me more than the average salary of part-time job, which made me really happy. And honestly, I think she really liked what I did, so she kept calling me various times for helping her out with different things. So my second part-time job that I got in France was because of my business school. So a lot of you don't know maybe yet that I'm in a business school in France, and that's why I'm here. Every year there are new students who come to school, and then there are these set of people who can show the school and explain what's going on around, where are the places to eat, where can you hang out, where is the library. Basically just giving out information to new students and helping them feel comfortable in a new country and the school. So for that I was employed by my school, and I made some good amount of money. It was just a one-day job, but it was something. And now I'll be telling you about where I try to apply for jobs and where you can probably apply for jobs as well. The first place where I applied was in Indeed.com. There are a few websites where people keep posting regularly about getting part-time job in your city. So you just have to go there and put in your city and that you want to do a part-time job and you're an English speaker, and there are a lot of jobs that do come up. The second place where I applied for my job and I actually got my job from there was Facebook. So there are two places where you can apply in Facebook. First is this inbuilt thing, so you just have to go there and fill in which city you are in and what kind of a job you're looking for. So I just take my city and part-time job, and there are a list of jobs that keep coming every day and you can apply for them. And sometimes you can even see if it's a restaurant job, you can even go to the restaurant and personally talk, which can be more better and can help you get the job. The second thing what I did was I went to all the groups that are there on Facebook. There were some groups of English speakers in the French Riviera, and there were some other groups where I posted about myself and what I want to do, and a little bit about myself, that I'm a student here, and etc. And it can help you. It helped me, so I hope it helps you. Another website that's the most frequently used website in France, literally for everything. If you need a house, you need a job, you need to buy second-hand things, it's called Leboncoin. I'm gonna link it down below. I hope I spelled it correctly, but I think it's called Leboncoin, and you can go there and you can get whatever you want. It's the best website. If you are in France, this is the website you have to know about. And one of the other ways how you can apply for a part-time job is by going to the places where you probably think you could work. So if it's in a restaurant or a bar, you go there, you hand them your CV and you talk to them a little bit, have a friendly experience, and I'm sure something will come up for you. For example, I know that my friends got some jobs through that. One of my friends, she is an English speaking girl like me, but she's not from India, she's from South America. She went to a bar and she handed out her CV and she said that she could only speak in English, and the owner who worked at the bar was okay with it, and he accepted her and she was doing her job there. It was pretty cool. Another friend of mine, he went to a restaurant and he handed out his CV and he got a job as well. So I'm not telling it's super easy, but if you are out there, if you're open and if you are positive about getting a job, I think you can get it as well. You just have to get out of your comfort zone and just do it. So these were some ways how I found my job and how you can find yours. I hope this video helps you guys in finding a part-time job. If you like my videos and want to see my life in France as a student, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with your friends. I hope to see you soon. Until next time, ciao, bye bye.